Welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. On this video I'm going to show you these plastic ornaments I got at the dollar store and what I turned them into using alcohol inks. Okay, this is bulb number 1. As you can see, I put some ribbon on it, and 2 different kinds here. A sequence kind of ribbon and a normal ribbon, and I have a little reindeer button on it. And I'm turning it around so you can see inside. I put sprinkles in here. I blew in alcohol ink inside, and this is what it came like. And I put some sparkles inside of it, all colors. And that's what number 1 bulb looks like. Alright, this is bulb number 2. And I got some little metal roses, which are really lovely, that was sent to me by my friend Velvet. And the little reindeer on the other one. And I just came up with that, and we have some sequences around the side here. The rim, all the stuff was beautiful. Again, this is a different technique. It's white snow that was in it and blown differently with alcohol ink with different colors. And this is how bulb number 2 turned out. Right there. Alright, this is bulb number 3. As you can see, my friend Diane sent me some of this lace here, which I think is really cute. A red ribbon, a little diamond in the center, and as you can see, I'm going to do this slowly. This was blown in a little thicker and with colored sprinkles inside, and you can see how cool this one is. All different kind of techniques done a little differently. That's why they're looking different on the screen. This is bulb number 4. As you can see, I put a little charm, a bell charm, and some rope instead of ribbon to make it a little bit different looking. This is a different technique. This is alcohol mixed on the outside with sequences on the outside. This is all done on the outside, where the other 3 bulbs, the ink was put in the inside. These are different techniques. And that's how this one turned out. Here you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching these videos. I had really a lot of fun working with ink alcohols, which I plan on doing in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.